Planning a move from West Jordan to Springville, Utah? Even though it is an in-state move, it still takes good planning, the right moving team, and a clear idea of what affects your total cost. Because West Jordan and Springville are both in Utah, this is considered an intrastate move. Local movers can help with loading, transportation, unloading, packing, and other services depending on what your move requires. According to 3 movers, the average estimated cost for a West Jordan to Springville move can range from about $1,200 to $2,500, depending on distance, shipment size, and extra services. Your final moving price can depend on how much you are moving, how many movers are needed, packing help, stairs, access issues, storage needs, and the time of year. That is why getting a clear quote matters. For a more hands-off move, full-service movers can handle packing, loading, transport, unloading, and sometimes unpacking. This may cost more, but it can make the process easier for busy households. If you want to keep costs lower, you can choose basic moving help and handle some tasks yourself. Packing your own boxes, decluttering before moving day, and being organized can help reduce time and labor. For businesses moving from West Jordan to Springville, commercial movers can help move desks, equipment, files, and office furniture while planning around downtime and business continuity. If your move-in date does not line up perfectly, storage can be useful. Many moving companies offer temporary storage options, so you have more flexibility during the transition. So what should you know before moving from West Jordan to Springville? Plan early, compare services, understand what affects cost, and choose a mover that fits your timeline, budget, and moving needs. For more helpful moving guides, visit 3movers at 3movers.com and read the full guide on West Jordan to Springville movers and moving costs.